Property Pulse gives us insight from top real estate experts in Bakersfield, and it takes you inside some of the hottest properties on the market. Back with us today, the award-winning Gordon Team Realty. We have William Gordon. You know him, you love him. And we have a sellout. What are we calling this? A palooza?
We're calling it a Price Improvement Palooza. So we're gonna show you guys every one of these listings we've featured on the show in the past, and we've improved the price. So we're going to talk about it and show you what we've done.
10 houses. Yeah. I'm so ready.
If your home doesn't sell, it's time to adjust. So here we are at 2204 Snowdrop Drive. We have reduced the property from $475,000 to $469,900. So that's a little over $5,000 improvement in the price.
Pool.
In the greens, 55 plus, amazing property with that pool. Next, we have Rainwater Lane, just down the street from Cesar Chavez Elementary School in Northeast Bakersfield. This is, look at that backyard. That's what you want right there. So 3-bed, 2-bath, just under 2,000 square feet, from 510 to 500. So we're at 500,000 now. Here we are at Pemberley Passage in Highgate. This has fantastic amenities. You have your own pool and spa in the backyard. Just a phenomenal property. Look at that gorgeous pool and spa, and that is a really high-end pool. We've adjusted the price from $675,000 to $665,000. That's a $10,000 improvement. Here we are in Oildale. It's a almost 2 homes on 1 lot type scenario. The detached garage was converted here on Decatur. So you have 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, and we've dropped that from $275,000 to $265,000. So that's $10,000. Abbott, this is a great home near Centennial High School, right there at Hegman and Callaway. Really good size, almost 3,000 square feet, 2810, and 4-bed, 3-bath, great house, $540,000 down to $525,000, so it's $15,000. Here we are at Paris Way. This is off of California. Really nice updates, has its own pool, amazing backyard there. You do have some room for improvement with the landscaping, but we're $430,000 down to $415,000. Here we are at Edingal. Edingal is gorgeous on the golf course in Seven Oaks at Grand Island. And this house really, really, really has it all. I think if it had a pool, it would have sold already, but we have improved this from $925,000 to $900,000. That's a great value for that size home in that neighborhood. Right here in Silver Oak Ranch, Screaming Eagle, 4 beds, 3 baths, lots of square footage, beautiful home. It's got a great solar system on it. We were at $640,000, we are now at $615,000, so that's a $25,000 improvement. Strieber, this gorgeous horse property, completely updated, remodeled, reimagined. Every single square inch of this house has something new, from the roof to the stucco, the horse area, the equestrian facilities. This one's been improved significantly from $859,000 to $819,000. That's $40,000 lower. O'Mara Court, this is a big improvement here. 6 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms in Hagen Oaks, almost 4,500 square feet of living space. Got a solar system, and we've gone from about $1 million to $949,900. So that's $50,000.
That was a lot of houses, William.
That's a lot of homes. You know, and that's really the tale of this market. We've touched on this before, but what's happening is you see me list, 3, 4 properties, or at least 2 almost every week. And so that was the listing part of the summer selling season. This is the get her done part of the summer selling season. Yeah. And so all of the homes that we didn't mention that we've previously featured on the show have sold.
Yeah. So I mean, that's good track record then. Almost all of them have sold.
My least favorite conversation is talking about a price reduction.
Right, like, hey, we might need to adjust it just a little bit. And I think it helps, though, because it makes it more competitive. And it's not to say that they won't get the price they want, because there could be a bidding war if the price is priced right.
It happens sometimes, especially when you do a big price reduction. You might generate so much activity that you do get multiple offers, and it ends up going a bit higher, somewhere in between where you were and where you are now. I've even seen it happen where you go from one price to a lower price. People actually see it, and it gets bid back up to the price you were previously at.
Yeah.
And that's kind of wild. That's not
That's your dream
expected
scenario,
all
right?
the time, but but no, I mean, we're always trying to list things accurately,
Yeah.
right? Whenever possible. Sometimes the comps in the area are relatively high, and they're from up to about 6 months ago,
Right.
And so you don't maybe have the most accurate picture of exactly where things are right now.
Yeah.
And where buyer demand is. And sometimes, my neighbor's house down the street sold for top dollar.
Sure.
Well, let's compare, let's contrast. Are your homes identical? Well, maybe there was just one buyer out there for that house. And if you had listed before they did, maybe that buyer would have bought your house around the same price.
Sometimes we have to adjust. We're going to put William's information on the screen because that is 10 houses with amazing price reductions that are just waiting for the right buyer. Thank you, William.
You're welcome.
That was fun. It was like
rapid fire, lightning round.
Yeah, lightning round. That's what we should call it next time. All right, we're going to keep chatting. We got more Studio 17 coming up.